Storyals' unique learning concept is designed for today's modern workforce that prefer to learn from field-leading experts at their own convenience. An experienced productivity coach guides your users through the various apps in Microsoft 365 to help them unlock their digital potential. Leveraging the power of storytelling and real-world examples, users can immediately apply what they've learned to accelerate results. With Storyals Pro, your organization gets access to powerful tools to accelerate the digital workplace adoption. Leveraging the well-renowned learning management system LMS 365, you can assign Storyals topics to your users and track their progress. Users can access their learning from wherever they are, through personalized dashboards or quick channel messages in Microsoft Teams, through the pre-populated Storyals SharePoint learning site, or via the LMS 365 mobile app. With Storyals Pro, you can ensure your users are provided with the knowledge they need and the encouragement that is required to effectively drive change.